Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Command Line Interface, or CLI for short. The CLI is a text-based way to interact with your computer. Instead of clicking buttons and menus like in graphical interfaces, you type commands to tell your computer what to do. This powerful tool has been used by programmers and system administrators for decades because it offers speed, precision, and control. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your technical skills, understanding the CLI is an essential step in your computing journey. There are two main ways to interact with computers: the Command Line Interface, or CLI, and the Graphical User Interface, or GUI. The CLI is text-based, where you type commands to perform tasks. The GUI is visual, where you click buttons, icons, and menus with your mouse. CLIs are lightweight, meaning they use fewer computer resources. They are perfect for server environments where there is no display screen. GUIs are resource-intensive, but more intuitive and easier for beginners to learn. Professional developers often prefer CLIs because they enable faster workflows and automation capabilities. Let us explore some essential commands you will use regularly. List S, or ls on Linux and dir on Windows, shows you all files and folders in your current location. CD stands for Change Directory and allows you to navigate between folders. Make Directory, or mkdir, creates new folders. Print Working Directory, or PWD, tells you exactly where you are in the file system. Cat displays the contents of files. Copy, or CP, duplicates files. Move, or MV, relocates or renames files. Remove, or RM on Linux and Del on Windows, deletes files. These commands form the foundation of command line usage. Navigating the file system efficiently is crucial for CLI proficiency. Print Working Directory, or PWD, shows your current location in the directory structure. Change Directory, or CD with a path, lets you move to a specific folder. CD with two dots takes you up one level in the hierarchy. CD with a tilde brings you directly to your home directory. List with the -L flag shows detailed information about files, including permissions, size, and modification date. Understanding these navigation commands helps you move through your file system confidently without getting lost. Managing files is one of the most common tasks in the CLI. Touch creates a new empty file instantly. Copy, or CP, duplicates files or entire directories to new locations. Move, or MV, transfers files to different folders or renames them. Remove, or RM, deletes files permanently, so use it carefully. Make Directory, or mkdir, creates new folders. Remove Directory, or rmdir, deletes empty folders only. These commands allow you to organize, backup, and restructure your files and directories without using a graphical file manager. File permissions in Linux control who can access files and what they can do with them. There are three permission types. Read, abbreviated as R, allows viewing file contents or listing directory files. Write, abbreviated as W, permits modifying files or adding and removing files and directories. Execute, abbreviated as X, enables running files as programs or entering directories. Change mode, or chmod, is the command used to modify these permissions. Understanding permissions is critical for security and managing access to sensitive files in multi-user environments. The Linux file system is organized in a hierarchical tree structure. The / or slash symbol represents the root directory, which is the top level of the entire system. Bin contains essential executable programs and commands needed by the system. Etc. stores system configuration and settings files. Home is where user accounts store their personal files and documents. Usr contains user programs, applications, and documentation. var holds logs, cache files, and variable data that changes frequently. TMP is used for temporary files that are cleared when the system reboots. This standardized structure makes it easy to locate files and understand system organization. Creating and editing files in the CLI requires text editors. Nano is a beginner-friendly editor that displays helpful keyboard shortcuts on screen. It has a simple interface, making it ideal for learning. Vim is a powerful and fast editor favored by experienced users, but it has a steep learning curve because it uses multiple modes. Vi is lightweight and available on virtually all systems, with functionality similar to Vim but simpler. Emacs is highly customizable and excellent for programming tasks because it can be extended with scripts. Each editor serves different needs and preferences, so experimenting with each will help you find your favorite. Pipes and redirection are advanced techniques that make the CLI incredibly powerful. A pipe, represented by the vertical bar symbol, passes the output of one command directly as input to another command. This lets you chain commands together to accomplish complex tasks. For example, listing files and then filtering results. The greater than symbol redirects output to a file, saving results instead of displaying them on screen. Two greater than symbols append to a file, adding new content without replacing existing data. The less than symbol reads input from a file. These techniques are fundamental to command line mastery and automation. There are many compelling reasons to use the command line interface. Speed is paramount because typing commands is faster than navigating menus with a mouse. Lightweight resource usage means the CLI runs efficiently even on older or remote systems with limited power. Automation capabilities allow you to create scripts that repeat tasks automatically, saving hours of manual work. Remote access through SSH enables managing servers from anywhere without a graphical desktop. Precision control ensures exact execution of operations without accidental mouse clicks. The power and flexibility of the CLI makes it the preferred tool for developers, system administrators, and power users worldwide.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.